If you want to change the frame rate on CapCut, this video will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you are making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, setting the right frame rate can help your video look smoother, match your project style, and export correctly. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure you are on the editing screen. The first thing you need to do is deselect everything on the timeline. To do that, click any empty space on your timeline tracks. This clears the current selection and makes sure you can access the project settings properly. If something is still highlighted, just click away until nothing is selected. Next, look at the top right area of the screen. You should see the Details parameter section above the player window. This is where CapCut stores important project settings, including the frame rate. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to look carefully in the upper right panel of the editor. Once you find the Details section, click the blue Modify Text String button. This opens the settings you need to edit. CapCut uses this area to let you adjust certain project parameters, and frame rate is one of the most important ones if you want your footage to match your desired output. Now, inside the Modify window, look for the Frame Rate drop-down menu. Click it to reveal the available options. You will usually see choices like 24, 30, 50 or 60 frames per second. Pick the frame rate that matches the style of your video. For a more cinematic look, 24 frames per second is a common choice. For standard content and most online videos, 30 frames per second works well. If you want extra smooth motion, especially for gaming, fast action, or high motion edits, 50 or 60 frames per second may be the better option. After you choose your target FPS, double-check that it is the correct setting for your project before moving on. This is important because frame rate affects motion, playback smoothness, and overall export quality. If you select the wrong frame rate, your video may not look the way you want, so always take a second to confirm your choice. When you are ready, click the blue Save button to apply the change. CapCut will update the project frame rate using the setting you selected. Once saved, your project is now configured to use that frame rate, and you can continue editing or export with the new setting in place. And that's how to change the frame rate on CapCut in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.